Hello, and thanks for stopping by Amy's Backyard BBQ. I want you to see our pit master, Tim Hucks. He does an awesome job cooking that pork. You like crunchy skin? He can do it. Cooking those pork butts to make some awesome chopped barbecue. He uses the Hucks secret sauce. Oh, so good, let me tell you. Also, cook ribs with our Hucks sweet rib sauce. Don't you want to taste? Some kind of good. Here's his chopped barbecue that he'll add his Hucks pig sauce to. On-site cooking available. Just give us a call and we can make that happen just for you.
She got it on video. Oh, that's a good shot.
Oh, that's really.
Please check us out at Amy's Backyard BBQ on Facebook. We have a lot of side items that go along with it. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by.